How to fix automatic repair your PC did not start correctly error in Windows. First step, disconnect external device. Turn off your PC. Disconnect all external device you plugged in. If the problem still remains, then move on with next step. Force restart your PC. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the PC turn off. Wait for a few seconds. Turn your device on. If the problem still remains, then move on with next step. Restart your device for recovery screen. On the automatic repair screen, check restore. Wait for Windows to reboot. Come to next step. Run system file checker. Search for CMD. Click run as administrative and type the following text: sfc /scan now. Click enter. The process will take some time, essentially verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it, and also it will shows the destination. If there is no corrupted file having means it will shows like this. Exit it and move on with next step. Click settings, click system settings, scroll down, click recovery settings, click it, click reset this PC. Click the reset PC. Once clicking, after a pop-up will appear. Depends on you, you can choose the options and reset the PC. Thank you.